Hello, welcome to the Dulaw. The Dulaw is a legal practice management system which allows you to automate your business process at your firm. For example, you're being struggling to know at the end of the month which client you're being billed. At the same time, you have been struggling how to manage a multiple calendar to know which date you have to go to the case, which cases you will be hearing the next month, what the status of this case, or there is an IP work which need to be renewed, but you've been missing all those dates, and it doesn't end at that. Sometimes you're being struggling how to manage staff inputs, their timesheets and which project they've been working at. At the same time, have you built the client the contribution from the staff? So all of those things are be going to be solved by the Dulaw. So Dulaw is a cloud-based management system. The meaning you just need the internet and a device which can access internet. So once you have the device, you have the internet, you can access a Dulo by using the browser. For example, for me, I just click the Dulo, extract dulo.co.tz, then I just come to this interface. So everyone in your firm will be logging in with the same the same interface, but this one can be customized to your logo and your details so that all the stuff on the see and they feel at home. So that don't worry. So to log in at the Dulo is very easy. You just write your username and the password and you can log in. Don't forget, we have the top year book appointment, which allows this guest to log in at your Dulo without even registration. So let's get started. I can log in as an admin. This is the interface you see as administrator. But when I log in with another user, I'll see something different. Let's give you a test drive to see how it looks when I log in with another user. I log in with another user. Another user, let's go, this is a lawyer. So when I log in with the lawyer, this is what I see. So different user access, you see different stuff depending to your role. So that is the power of the do law. So let's go back to the admin and to see what admin can do in the do law. I log in as an administrator. So to log in as administrator, I can see here, you can see there is a general summary, which gives the highlights, how many matters. Matters are the cases, the IP, appointments, events, tickets, contracts, and many more you can find there. We have the finance overview, which give you the tracking of the income vis-a-vis expenses and estimation which you're sending to your client. We don't end there. We just show you the user list in your firm, so you can see how many clients, how many partners, how many lawyers, and how many staff. On the top of here, there's a notification which can highlight you what is happening. For example, this is the invoice which is due, so you'll be able to know this invoice is going to due, and you can call the client. And the client also will receive the same notification message, and once you click that notification, it will disappear. On the top of here, you can search for anything. For example, I search Dudumisi. It gives me to see this is a trademark project which you can find there in the project. So on the bottom of the page, you see the to-do list. The client themselves, the staff themselves, they'll be able to add their to-do lists. But at the same time, you as administrator, you can add your to-do list and assign the to-do list to the staff. In the bottom, you'll see the upcoming matters and the upcoming IP project. So these are unfinished business which are going on, and you'll be able to interact with it very easily. There are a lot of videos we've made which can teach you how to do that. On the left of the panel, you'll see the menu. The first menu is the project. This allows you to manage litigation cases and the IP project. This is litigation cases, all of your cases, to know the date, when you're supposed to appear on the court, when they update you. A lot of all of those questions are being answered at this page. We have the document part where we can manage all the client part, client document easily. And we have automated it so that you can also store it on the cloud. The finance part, it gives you the invoice, expenses, transaction, and all the estimation. The Dulo, we are going to automate so that you can bill directly from the Dulo. You can bill your client, and they can pay automatically without even calling you. So everything is being done automatically. This is very beauty, right? Not ended there. We have another one, the workload. The workload, the timesheet. This will be able to manage your staff contribution. So what are they doing? Which project they'll be working at? What is the time they spent on that project? Have you built that one? You see, there's a lot of things, and you can even generate the timesheet, and you can sign and you can send it to the client. It doesn't end there. This is the to-do list with the events. You can also support your client directly from the Dulo. If they have any issue with the client, they can just email it direct from their login page. They can log into the Dulo and they can submit the tickets. And you, as administrator, you'll be able to see what is happening in your tickets, so that you give the customer satisfaction. A client also, they can book appointment, and you can charge this appointment based on your rates, as you can see, when you are creating a new ticket list. We have the calendar, which give the highlights everything what is happening. The human resource, you can also pay the payroll. You can also assign the properties for the firm to the staff and everything. And we have included a lot of reports, sales reports, country reports, staff performance, monthly income. You can see like expenses vis-a-vis income. You will see the project tracking, income by staff, income by client. All of those things you'll be able to do from the Dulo, just one software. We've included the user management, see the user, their roles, their groups, and a lot of those things so that you can manage your firm easily. And not only that, we've prepared the setting with a lot of features which it can help your system to be automated. For example, you have a custom field, the payment method, the country, location, the milestone, expenses, the email template. This is very key. Like all the messages you can customize for your needs. So this is a tailor-made. Everything can be customized to fit your purpose. So it doesn't matter. For example, for you, we've already prepared more than 82 messages, but you can customize all these messages to be you. So to have your flavor, to have your language, and to have a lot of properties, right? And the currency, the Dulo can accept multiple currency. So during the development, we've taken care the currency and multi-currency issues. So you can invoice in different languages. Not only that, we've included the workload type, and the best thing which I like about the Dulo, we have what you call the expenses type and the invoice type. The invoice items, it allows you to create multiple the invoice. For example, when you're sending the invoice, you can have all of your items, of your billing items in already added. So when you're adding invoice, you just type, like example, register. Then it just come and it can bring it on the interface, which is simplify your works. So the Dulo, it's included a lot of features which you as a law firm you can use it and you can benefit it for your client, so that at the end your client will be satisfied and you can save them easily, and there's nothing goes unnoticed at the do law. So I hope this video was informative and to help you to understand the do law. So see you in the next videos where we are taking each features one by one. So in the end of all this tutorial, you'll be able to use the do law easily. Thank you for the viewing.